Yan lupa kembang. Bo, bo. Kira wak mame.
To OPM.
Oh. Oh. So, again, as I said, this is another initiative which we are trying to do, where we don't bring any caterers from outside or anything from outside. We would like the villagers to cook for us, and I would like to eat food with the villagers, with the vegetables and the meat being bought from the villagers. And that's another way for us to connect with the villagers, and this is something we have started. Of course, it's not possible to bring everything or give everything from the village itself, but as far as possible, I'm happy to see that at least the dishes that I'm going to eat are from the village itself, and the villagers have cooked it for me. So I really would like to thank the villagers of Palm Julla village. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Absent. Absent, sir. Hi. Produk.
How was the food, sir?
Excellent.
What do you
Excellent
like
food.
most? What do you like most?
They have cooked the local chicken
Local chicken.
with pura in Garo style. I think it's so nice, the local chicken. And as I said, most importantly, our women folk and the villagers have cooked this for us. And all the villagers are invited to this. So as I said, I'm so happy today that I'm getting a real good chance to connect with the people of this village.
Would you like to have this food every day?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just give Isaac's number and give Angi 9856 number.